Ever found yourself juggling a constellation of crypto wallets, each holding just a few specific coins? It can feel like managing a digital zoo, right? Well, what if I told you there's a wallet out there aiming to simplify your crypto life, a bridge connecting various blockchain ecosystems? Today, we're diving deep into Bifrost Wallet and answering the burning question: what coins does this versatile wallet actually support? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of supported assets, let's quickly touch upon what makes Bifrost Wallet stand out. In the bustling world of cryptocurrency, interoperability is becoming increasingly crucial. Different blockchains, each with their unique strengths and communities, often operate in silos. Bifrost Wallet positions itself as a multi-chain platform, striving to break down these barriers and offer users a unified experience for managing their digital assets across various networks. This means you could potentially manage your Bitcoin alongside your Polkadot assets and maybe even some newer, emerging blockchain tokens, all within the same application. The convenience factor here is huge, saving you the hassle of switching between multiple wallet interfaces and keeping track of different sets of private keys or seed phrases, though, remember, security is paramount, and you should always safeguard your recovery phrases. Now, let's get down to the core of the matter: the coins. As of my last update, Bifrost Wallet boasts impressive support for a wide array of cryptocurrencies. Leading the charge, of course, are the major players. You can expect full support for Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency and the bedrock of the digital asset landscape. This includes sending, receiving, and storing your precious sats securely within the Bifrost ecosystem. Next up, the smart contract giant, Ethereum, ETH, is also a key component of Bifrost's supported assets. This means you can manage your Ether, as well as interact with a vast universe of ERC20 tokens directly from your Bifrost wallet. This opens up a world of decentralized applications, dApps, and the vibrant DeFi, decentralized finance, ecosystem built on the Ethereum blockchain. Whether you're participating in yield farming, lending, borrowing, or simply holding your favorite ERC20 tokens, Bifrost aims to provide a seamless experience. But Bifrost doesn't stop there. Recognizing the growing importance of other Layer 1 blockchains and their native assets, Bifrost extends its support to several prominent networks. You'll find support for Polkadot, DOT, the flagship token of the Polkadot ecosystem, a network focused on interoperability and scalability. This allows you to participate in Polkadot's governance, stake your DOT, and potentially interact with parachains in the future, all from within your Bifrost wallet. Similarly, Kusama, KSM, Polkadot's Canary network, is also typically supported, offering a platform for early-stage projects and risk-takers. Beyond these major players, Bifrost often includes support for other significant cryptocurrencies and their associated ecosystems. This can include networks like Avalanche, AVAX, known for its high throughput and scalability, Solana, SOL, another high-performance blockchain focused on speed and low transaction fees, and Binance Chain, BNB, and Binance Smart Chain, BNB, though these have now largely unified, providing access to the vast Binance ecosystem. Furthermore, Bifrost Wallet often integrates support for various stablecoins, which are digital currencies designed to maintain a stable value relative to a fiat currency like the US dollar. Examples include USD Coin, USDC, and Tether, USDT, often available on multiple supported networks like Ethereum and others. This allows users to easily manage and transact with stable value assets within the wallet. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving. New blockchains emerge, existing ones undergo upgrades, and wallet developers continuously add support for new assets. Therefore, it's always a good practice to check the official Bifrost Wallet documentation or their website for the most up-to-date and comprehensive list of supported coins. You might even find support for newer, exciting projects that weren't around just a short time ago. Bifrost Wallet aims to be a versatile multi-chain wallet, offering support for major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and often extending to other prominent networks such as Avalanche, Solana, and various stablecoins. This broad compatibility makes it a compelling option for users who interact with multiple blockchain ecosystems and seek a unified and convenient way to manage their digital assets. Remember to always do your own research and verify the latest supported coin list directly from the official Bifrost Wallet sources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.